So if this word is wine, this word would be maga.
It'd be magazine.
Magazine. You don't see how that... That's alright, I'll give you another one, okay? Alright, so if this is magazine, this word would be
Porcupine.
porcupine. You don't you're just not getting it. It's okay, it's okay. I'll do another one for you. Alright, so you know this word?
River.
River, yes. Okay, good. So you are getting the hang of it. So if that's river, then this right here would be...
Diver.
No, it's diver. You don't...
Okay.
It's okay. Let me give you one more, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so first word is thread.
Thread, yep.
Which means this word right here would be...
Red.
Well, it depends. So if we have more than one turtle, all we're gonna do is add an S, and now we have...
Turtles.
That's right, very good. Now if we have more than one goose, it would be...
It'd be gooses.
No, it's geese. You don't see how... It's because it's more than one goose.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Here, let me give you one more try here. Let's do this right here really quick. Let's do this right here. What word is that?
Moose.
Moose. Yes, very good. So more than one moose would be...
Meese.
No.
I mean, mooses.
Nope.
Moosies.
It'd be moose. You don't see how... If we have one moose, it would be moose. But if we have multiple moose, it would be moose.
Okay.
So this word is
Hour.
which means this word is
Sour.
which means this word is
Tower.
tor. You don't see how... It's because it's like not the same. Like, that's why.
Okay. Yep.
Here, how about this one? If we take this R and we make it a P, what's this word now?
It'd be Soup.
As in chicken noodle soup? No, it's soup. You don't see how? It's because the P makes the OU oop. That's why. But now that you know that, let's say this P is an L. Now what's this word?
Soul.
No, it's soul. You don't see... Okay. Clearly, I'm not doing my job well enough. So this word is...
Rock.
Very good. Now come up and spell the word knock. Spell the word knock.
N-O-C-K. Knock.
No. There's a K. You don't see how... Just because you can't hear the K doesn't mean it's not there. Spell it with a K, but when you say it, pretend it's not there. Spell it, say it. Spell it, say it. See what I mean?
Okay.
So now that you know that, what's this word right here?
Pretend it's not there. So it'd be now?
No.
Can you tell me what it is then?
No. Here, last one here. Come up and spell the word not. K-N-O-T, not. Spell the K, say it like it's not there. Not. It's not the knot I was talking about. So which prey is correct?
Well, it depends.
Because?
Because they're like not the same.
I think you're starting to see how. Which means these two words aren't spelled the same because...
Because they're like not the same.
No. You don't see how. Just because they're not spelled the same doesn't mean they're not the same. But when two words sound the same and are spelled the same, that means
They're the same.
well, it depends. I mean, this right could mean like the opposite of left, and this right could mean like correct. Or it could be right as in if you don't understand, you have the right to ask questions. So what sound does this make?
The ch sound.
Which means this word is...
Chew.
Which means this word is...
Chef.
No, it's chef. You don't see how... It's because it's French.
Oh.
That's why.
Oh, okay.
But when it's not French, what sound does this make?
The ch sound.
Which means this word is...
It'd be chemistry.
Chemistry. You don't see how... Just because the H is there doesn't mean it wants to be part of the word. But when the H wants to be part of the word,
It'd be chat.
which means this word is...
Champagne.
No. What did I say about French words? It's French. So someone who teaches is a,
Teacher.
which means someone who learns is a,
Learner.
which means someone who journals is a,
It'd be journaler.
no. Journalist. You don't see how, it's because it's like someone who journals. That's why. Which means someone who volunteers is a,
It'd be volunteerist.
no.
Volunteer her.
No. Volunteer. You don't see how, it's because it's someone who volunteers. You don't see how. So this word is,
See?
which means this word is,
Seat?
which means this word is,
Scene?
no, it's Sean. Why would you think? It's because it's a name. You don't see how.
Okay.
The word scene would be spelled like this. Which means this word is,
It'd be teen.
which means this word is,
Bean.
no, it's been. Like, where have you been? Like, it's because it's like a verb, so it's not the same. It's like different.
Okay.
That's why. You don't see how. So if this word is tomb, then this word would be,
It would be boom.
no, it's bomb. You don't see how. It's because the B and the T have different views on how like the word should be.
Okay.
Which means this word is,
It'd be calm.
no.
So it would be coom.
No, it's comb. You don't see how. It's because like, here, how about this one? So this word is,
Limb.
good, yes, I think you're starting to see how. And when we add a C, it's,
It'd be clim.
no, it's climb. You don't see how. It's because it's like different. Like this C like took over the word, so like now like the word runs different. Like that's why.
Okay.